think I'm going anywhere. I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, here's my car. It's under the carport. Here's my husband's. Well, it used to be my car. Alright, there's the driveway. I wish I had a yardstick or something. There's like 4 feet of snowdrifts here. Oh boy. I don't know how the hell we're gonna get out of here. We don't have a snow blower or anything because we never bought one because our driveway is like small gravel. Because I was wondering, I was gonna get one for Christmas and said that it would just throw rocks. So the plow guy's not gonna be here for a while till probably after the storm. Oh my, I can't walk in there. It's gonna go way over. Look, okay. There's my foot. Goes well over my knee. And I'm bending my knee here a little bit. My mailbox is pretty much almost covered. It's right near the road. See if we can go out back. See what's going on. I don't know how my husband got out here. There's the ladder where the cat climbs up. Mama cat climbs up. Goes up there. Oh my god! Holy crap. I just walked. There it is. There's my bedroom window up there. The cat goes up the ladder and then goes up to my room. There's a big snowdrift in front of my window. I really can't do anything here. But you can see the trees. That's where our pool used to be, in this greenhouse. Wow. It's still snowing, everybody. Oh, wow. Going back. Good thing I waterproofed my boots. It's all the way up. The snow is definitely over the knees. Okay. Oh my god. This is crazy. Funny, I don't remember the storm of 78. I must have been high or something. Parties. No. I wasn't drinking that year or doing any wild drugs because I was a mommy. I was pretty